is that way. As you see, it's walking, chilling. It's embarkation day. We're about to head to the boat. So excited. It's gonna be fun, man. Can't wait. We made it back to the room and we're about to be out, hop in the Uber. Still gotta pack my clothes. I think I'm gonna change. I'm not sure. But it is hot out here, man. Let's see if they are ready.
Okay, baby. Ready?
Boarding the ship now. So excited. Ready to go eat some food, man. Ready? That's first stop. Get the food. We made it on the boat. New home for the next 5 to 6 days. We lit, baby. Now where them drinks at and the food? That's what I'm ready for. Yeah, feels me.
What?
For your what you call it? Luggage. Jeez.
Yay, we're red. We're red. We lit.
Jesus, guys. And we're finally on the freaking boat. Woo! But yeah, guys, we just made it on the cruise. I'm gonna do a quick room tour. It's not a lot of room in here, but here's the room tour. Let's go. So this is the bathroom. It's pretty small. Here's the shower. Shower is pretty okay. I'm standing in it right now. Pretty roomy. See? Then you got the toilet here. Bada bam. A closet here. This made like a cupboard. It's a lot of closet in here. I didn't realize there was that much closet space. Then you have the couch. But check this out, man. Boom. Boom. All of my stuff fits right in here that I had in this bag. Drawer, drawer, drawer. You have one plug. That's one thing. I actually forgot my power strip. Make sure you bring a power strip with you because all the staterooms only gonna have one plug. Now what that means is me and Tori gotta fight over the plug to see who charges first. But well, I have a MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed our ocean view room on our Carnival Conquest cruise ship. Yeah.
Look at Leah, look, put it on Leah, man.
Why you sound quick?
You know your mama ain't going nowhere now, right? You hear me, Mommy Long?
All night.
Look, she ain't even listening to me. Look. There you go. Look, there you go. It's gonna keep going too. $20? I want $21 for that. That's good.
I spent the whole day hanging out in the pool. We actually didn't do any activities today. We just kind of like ate and hung out. But tonight is the captain's night, hence why I look a little fancy. So me and all the rest of my family are headed to dinner. Oh, wait, what you got, babe?
I got the stuffed mushrooms, the clam chowder, and the Caesar salad.
You think you gonna be doing big, huh?
When you bring the first one, he gonna bring it out.
My mama. There go my beautiful wife. Look at y'all.
Club.
You ain't going to the club tonight. All right, guys, just getting back to the room. Very awesome day. Not really much going on, but with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, and you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And we will catch you guys next week in our next video. Peace. Ha ha ha!